Hello, in front of me I've got Madden NFL 25. In this video I'll show you how to play ranked matches against other superstars. In the beginning let's go to Superstar menu and go to Showdown Ranked. Squad up with friends or get matched with and against players from all over, or play solo if you prefer. Here you can play ranked solo or ranked squads. Select ready up and wait until match is ready.
Here we go! Check smash! Street! Take smash! Let go!
And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.